Today I want to talk to you about the TAPiTAG Dynamic Profile. Currently you might be set up on the classic profile, but this is our new and improved Dynamic Profile that gives you lots of new features and benefits. And I want to show you today just how you go and customize it. So once you switch the toggle on to Dynamic Profile, you'll see Customize Profile appear. And when you tap that, it gives you a live preview of how your profile is going to look. So everything is going to be up here. The first thing I would suggest that you do is you can go to Browse Theme Options. And the Browse Theme Options gives you way more different variants and colorways, fonts that you can choose from to really personalize your TAPiTAG profile. So your theme color, you can have a solid color or a gradient background. For the sake of the demo, let's go gradient. Let's change it to red and we will keep our text white. If you want to choose a custom color, you can open this up. The grid will open up with the colors. You can choose from a spectrum, sliders, or you can put in your hex color down here as well. Whatever suits you, but it really gives you a good opportunity to go and update your profile exactly as you want it to look. So as I said, for this, we're going to go for red, we're going to go for white in your text. You can also choose your own custom text color here. Floating background, so we do have a dynamic floating background that you can choose from. There's two of them, so there's glitter or a wave of dots. Feel free to choose either of them and it will give a 3D design pretty much on the back of your profile. And then font family, we've lots of different fonts there that you can go and choose from. Pick your own font, and once you're done and you're happy with all the changes that you've made there, just click Apply Changes and click Save at the top. So as you can see, my profile is fully customized now in the colorways that I want, and it flows all the way down. If I want to change that back in, change up the colorways, and then just click Apply Changes and Save. So that's the colors and the fonts sorted on my profile. If you want to change your banner now as well, you can just click the three buttons on the top right hand corner, upload your image, and that will load the banner image up. There's three buttons here as well. If you want to add a separate logo, you can do that. Change your profile picture, you can do that. And you'll notice toggles all the way down on the right hand side, and then you'll notice these three lines on the left. The three lines on the left allow you to move sections up or down, and the toggles on the right allow you to switch sections on and off. So on your live profile, if you didn't want to have your, let's say, your name and your title and your bio, just toggle it off, and then straight away on your live profile that is toggled off. But obviously you're going to want that on. Exchange contact. This is your lead gen form, as you know already. Again, it's really important to keep this switched on, so keep your toggle on. What you can do here is really, really cool. You can toggle on the fields that you want people to fill in. So as you can see, I've got first name, last name, job title, phone number, email, bits that I want people to fill in. If you want to go and edit the labels, you can pop in here. Instead of first name, you can just have, let's say, name, or if you want to have a different language, you can go and type that in as well. You're in full control of what these fields say, so yeah, you can pop in whatever you want. Once we go back then, as I said, you can toggle it on or off. You've got your social media, your contact details, your websites, whatever you want to share with a potential customer or client, whatever it may be. You can edit all these by clicking the edit button and filling in your details there. You can also, instead of having connect with me here, you can also click into it and update the text that's shown there. So whatever you feel comfortable with having there, you can pop that in. If you want to have somebody book a meeting with you, whether it's Microsoft Teams, Calendly, whatever it might be, you can add the link in here. So you can add up your own artwork, add in your own link, and then add in your own text. Click Save, and that will add straight to your profile. This is where it gets really interesting, your customized icons. I've got my TAPiTAG official page here. Jim Associates, so that's our in-house digital marketing team. We help companies all around the world with their digital marketing efforts, whether it be Google, whether it be SEO, content creation, social media management, whatever it might be. Jim are the guys who do that for us, and they're in-house, they're a sister company to TAPiTAG. And then we've got our Amazon store then as well. You can assign if you want to, let's say, just click add. You can create an icon type that's a web link, a phone number, a PDF. You can add your own custom artwork. You can name the icon, and then when you're entering the value, so you can, let's say if it is a web link, so you're entering in the full web link, and that will link to that icon. Or if it's going to be let's say a PDF, or a phone number, all the details are there. You can pop them in and just click save and that will load up. But you can have your latest sales brochure, your food menus, you can have open jobs, you can have a onboarding PDF there then as well. Whatever you want to share with potential clients or customers, pop them on there. Your YouTube videos or Vimeo, you can pop on here as many as you like. Again, really good way of getting your branding or messaging across. Your website link, again, you can add your own artwork here. We've just got the TAPiTAG logo. You could add your own artwork here, your own text and your own link. And then your photo gallery. So on your photo gallery, this could be, if you're, let's say, in the cafe or a restaurant or cafe industry, or hospitality industry, I should say, you could have pictures of food that links to the menu, or pictures of food and coffees that shows off how nice they look, that people can go and look and order them. Photo gallery could be products, any sort of products, or it could be any service that you offer then as well. Again, you can toggle it on or off, or you can move stuff up and down from the left-hand side by just holding this and dragging it up. And it's a very simple way of customizing your profile to having it however you want it. That's the TAPiTAG new dynamic profile. Update yours today. It's fully free of charge. It's included with your card. As I said, from the very start with TAPiTAG, we'll continuously improve our system, improve our software, make it easier for you to make new connections, make new leads, make more sales, and really drive business through your TAPiTAG. So if you have any issues, give myself or the team a shout, or log on to our site, tapitag.co, and there's an instant chat bot there as well if you need to chat to us. So yeah, get yourself onto TAPiTAG Dynamic and get making new connections straight away.